Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be somewhat unexpected. I didn't have plans for another thrift haul video, but I just came back from the thrift store and found this giant box, this absolutely massive box of mystery fabric, and I thought it would be pretty fun for us to go through it together. It was only $6 and I'm dying to know what's in it, so let's find out. Okay. I don't know, just gonna, oh. Wow, they really taped this up. That was a workout, my arms are tired. First up is looks like jersey. It feels a little like jersey, but it's not very stretchy. I wouldn't call it beautiful. I am not particularly into Hawaiian print, floral print stuff, but it's really soft and there's like a crap ton of it. I'd say at least 2 yards. It's all right. I mean, it's pinks and mint greens and some like navy blues in it, some purple. On first glance, just thinking about this, my plan for this would be, I'm gonna lean into it. I'm gonna make a Hawaiian shirt. My husband has like a whole collection of Hawaiian shirts and they are pretty obnoxious, and he wears them to like family events and stuff, and I kind of feel a little left out. So I might just make like a really airy summer Hawaiian shirt. I mean, this is very lightweight. It's very soft. It's extremely thin, so I'd probably have to line it, but I'm into it. I'm into it. I could see this. That's nice. Okay, let's see what's next. This, well, again, there's also a lot of it. Feels like polyester to me. It's this navy blue. I'm guessing it's like a lining fabric, probably. It feels weird. It almost feels like synthetic suede, but it's really thin. There's like a weird texture on one side of this, but there is a metric crap ton. Probably 3 yards. I'd say 3 yards. I love the color. The navy is a really flattering color on me. Probably wouldn't make it into an outerwear though. I would probably go with the lining for something. It's not very soft, but I could see it as the lining for like a coat or a cape perhaps. Been meaning to do a cape. It's definitely synthetic. I'm thinking, yeah, polyester, nylon, something. There's no cotton in this, I can tell you that. I don't even have to do a burn test. But other than that, yeah, this is pretty simple. Probably just use it as a lining. Okay, so what was that? Next up is more synthetic. Oh, it's 2 pieces. This is like a fire engine red. It looks like this is like a 1/4 yard. And then I guess this is probably the same 1/4 yard. It is a ribbed knit, definitely synthetic. I'm thinking probably nylon. I'm not a fan of reds like this. They make me look a little peaky. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet. There's really not a lot to work with. This would probably have to be some kind of summer blouse or something, but this fabric is actually pretty heavy. Maybe I could make some kind of trim or accent with it instead of like a full-on shirt. I may just give this to a sewer whose skin tone would probably match better with it. I'm not sure, but let's go on to the next thing. This is my favorite. This is what I saw peeking through when I got this thing. Oh, this is the most beautiful, and there's so much of this. It's the most beautiful gingham check. I think it's a knit. Let's find out. Are you a knit? Yeah, Not a very stretchy knit, but it is a knit and it's very drapey. It is a navy blue gingham check knit. I'd say there's about maybe 1.5 yards, maybe 2 yards. I'm thinking, you know what? My friend Stephanie recently just made this gorgeous draped cowl neck 70s sweater dress. And I was like, I really want to make one of those. They're gorgeous, but I didn't have any fabric in mind for it. This might be it. This is stunning. And there's a good amount of it. I think I could get away with making a full sweater dress from this. Probably a shorter thigh length one and not knee length, but I am into it. At the very least, a sweater. Yeah, I'm definitely into this. So Okay. Next up, this is actually really fun. This is like a white denim. I've never worked with denim before, so this is going to be really interesting because, oh yeah, there's some stains on it. This has probably been sitting in this lady's stash for a while and she never figured out what to do with it, but it's really heavyweight. It's definitely legit denim and not like jogger material or jeggings or whatever the heck you call those. There's probably a good, holy Lord, 3 yards of this stuff. It's pretty crazy, but it's definitely a very heavyweight denim. And I just made my very first pair of like fly front button down pants for the Foundations Reveal contest a couple weeks ago. And so now I'm thinking some like summer shorts. I don't have any white shorts in my possession. This would be really good practice because, I mean, it was pennies for this stuff. So if I mess it up, who cares? But no, it's sturdy enough that I feel like it would withstand some bleaching over the lifetime because I'm a pretty messy girl. Yeah, this is exciting. I'm excited to start trying with this. Whoosh. All right. Oh yes. Oh yes. Do you see what I see? I think the 70s called Once It's Fabric Back. This is burnt orange, dark like umber corduroy, like legitimate 70s earth tones corduroy. This is about a half yard. Oh no, there's not one continuous piece, so that's disappointing. But this is the most amazing freaking fabric. I do not wear corduroy. I haven't worn corduroy since I was like in middle school and very uncool. The very first thing that comes to my mind is like a 1970s bell bottoms with go-go boots, Molly Weasley, like pants. And I'm into it. I could just see with her like big knit cardigan things and like flashing these things around and doing the frickin', oh my God, she'd be amazing. I think that's what I'm going to do. 1970s Molly Weasley. Here we go. Okay, we are getting down to the final, not final, there's still some good stuff left in here, but it looks like you can really tell this was a like vintage stash that someone just cleaned out of their grandma's house. Like, for example, when was the last time they actually made like a Noah's Ark panel like this? When? This is very like 90s quilt panel, you know? Look at those little zebras. Look at those. Those are so cute. Oh my goodness. I love it. I will never use it. I have made quilts. This is just, it's too 90s for me. I'm too close to the 90s. It's not vintage enough yet for me. So that's kind of a shame, but I'll find a good home for it, I'm sure. Kind of the same vein for the rest of it, although this one is really cute actually. This is a baby quilting cotton. Look at this. Like there's little elephants. Hold on. Little elephants on this one. You know, it's nice, it's cute. This one is more my speed. I could make a quilt out of this. This one creeps me the heck out. What do you do with this? Look at his like face. Those are some cursed chillins right there. Oh my God. And there's not that much of it. I don't know what to do with it, but got me some Mickey Mouse. I have no idea. You can make like a bat wrap with this or something. I don't know. There's a lot of like weird vintage 90s quilting stuff. I think grandma probably bought a bunch of fabric for like baby clothes. This looks like a curtain, like a seasonal ruffle for the top of your like window pane. Oh, is this Winnie the Pooh? No. Cursed Winnie the Pooh? Look at this. Cursed Winnie the Pooh, but not really, but kind of. He's living his best life. Like, look at his big old butt. I don't know what to do with flannel like this, but I'm sure I'll find it a good home. I don't know, but yeah, this is very clearly vintage material that if there is a quilter in that family, they did not want this material. Oh, here we go, folks. Oh my, this is heavy, holy crap. Is there such a thing as fire engine pink? Because if there is, this is it. Oh my gosh. Again, I don't know if I can pull this color off. I don't think I quite have the the complexion for it, but this is amazing. There is, holy crap, there's a lot of it. This is like, feels like cotton to me. I'll do a burn test later. Definitely very drapey. It is woven, not quite denim, but you would definitely make pants or like a heavier skirt out of it. It does have a really nice weight to it. It's very nice. But my God. Yeah, I'd say there's another 3 yards of this stuff. Again, I don't have plans for this. If you know what to do with 3 yards of bright, like hot pink, it's not showing on camera how hot this is, but it is hot pink. I don't know, like a woven chino material. I'm trying to decide what you would use this for. Definitely probably pants. But if you have any projects for this or know what goes with this color, let me know. I've got no idea what to do with it. Wow, that was super fun. Thank you so much for coming on this journey with me. It was really random and unexpected, and I had a great time digging through someone else's craft room remnants. Unexpectedly, I'm the most excited about this 70s corduroy. That sounds really weird for me because I do not skew 70s and I do not like the 70s, but I think this is gonna be the most fun. But the rest of these, they're very, very versatile, and I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of them. I'm so excited for this gingham. I'm so excited for it. But yeah, you know what? For $6, shoot, I can do some stuff with this. Thanks so much for watching. And if you have any suggestions for the material that I did not bring up, please, please, please let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for new ideas. I could use your input. Let me know down below if you liked this video. You know, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.
Mariah, Mariah, you set my heart on fire.